According to Kementerian Bangga, more than 1.3 million of teenagers in Indonesia marry before the age of 19. And many of them still don't know about sexual education and life skills. This is me, Marcel Nurasya Cakrabuana, a student at Universitas Negeri Jakarta, and I'm proud that I can stand here as a representative of Indonesian teenagers and as a Duta Genre Jakarta Pusat. One of my ideas is to create a program called Bright Up. Bright Up is a class with real-life talks about growing up, building confidence, and making smart life plans. I believe this kind of space will help teenagers to feel more confident and ready for the future. I want to introduce genre to more schools, to more communities, and engage more people on social media. Let's make sure every teenagers in Jakarta, in Indonesia, knows their rights, understand their value, and has a brighter future. Together with me, wujudkan generasi emas Indonesia 2045. Thank you.